engineering is basically problem solving, figuring out what needs to happen to get towards a goal. My name is Johnny Goff. I'm a project engineer for Horizon Wind Energy. I'm in the construction department. There are a lot of considerations when you're talking about building a wind farm, and it's not just as sticking a pole in the ground and watching a wind turbine turn. First of all, you go to the site to make sure that you know where you're going to actually place the turbine. You do tests to make sure that you're not building on sand or clay or whatnot. I want to make sure that the soil is strong enough to hold these big wind turbines. I mean, you're talking about 400 feet in the air. You want to make sure that it stands up correctly. We need to consider the strength of the roads. We have your big 18-wheeler trucks that bring in the equipment to the site. You have a lot of cranes. You want to make sure that the roads are strong enough to hold all this big equipment. You have to make calculations how much concrete you're going to use. Each foundation is about 52 feet in diameter, and it goes about 9 feet deep in the ground. That's a lot of concrete, especially when you're talking about 120 different foundations. Our job site is about a 15-mile to 30-mile span, so you have different parts of the project that are going on at the same time. During the life of a project, there are some hiccups, some things that you might not even plan for. But if you know your job, you know what needs to happen. It allows you to think. It allows you to come up with creative solutions. What I would tell somebody that's looking to get into engineering is having a will to want to solve problems. And if you enjoy problem solving, if you enjoy working out situations and taking a step back and kind of looking at, hey, how do I get this done? Then I think that is something that you might want to consider. I enjoy coming to work every day, knowing that I'm doing something to help people, knowing that I'm doing something to help our community and our environment. And I love building things. I like to see the beginning, I like to see the end of it, and know that I had something to do with that, to see that end product.